Alright, so we've got the brand new GoPro Hero9 black. I'm just going to dive right in. Picked up the camera as well as a reusable battery. You usually shoot 4K underwater footage, so the battery life generally coming from a Hero7 is pretty good. We can get about one dive's worth of footage on a battery. And everything I've read about the upgrades to the Hero9 have made it better. I don't really care about the packaging, but that apparently is a new addition for the 9, very welcome feature. This is really nice. And of course the battery. So we open it up. Beautiful. Looks like a USB-C control cable here. Battery that comes with the camera. Your standard GoPro mounts. More screws. I think I have about 400,000 of those. Probably most of you do. And then here's the camera. Obviously much bigger than the previous versions of the camera, but you know what? It's still very manageable compared to some other video and still solutions like a regular DSLR. So still very manageable to take underwater. Get some underwater test footage later today, but comes with the integrated mount. Really like that. That's nice. So no more little skeleton case thing. They return the removable lens cover. Not going to take that off just yet, but so far really impressed with this. And the carrying case is awesome too. What's this? Recycled material. Cool. So that's the unboxed Hero9. Next step is to get this thing fired up and head underwater with it. Here we are at Turtle Reef testing out the new GoPro 9. No super suit or anything like that. This is just the straight camera out of the box. As you can see, it's a beautiful day here in sunny South Florida. Lots of boat traffic, so if you ever come on down here and hit some of these reefs, make sure you bring your flag. We're just gonna take this thing on the reef and see how it does.